Here we have a system of two linear equations and we have to solve the given system using method of substitution. Okay, when I look at the two linear equations in the given system, the second equation is solved for x in terms of y. That is, we have x equals to y. Since x equals to y, we can substitute y for x into the first equation. So then we'll have the first equation only in the variable y, so we can solve for y easily. So in the first equation, so for this x, I am going to substitute y because according to the second equation, x equals to y. So when I substitute y for this x, I'll be getting 3y positive 8 over here. Okay, now we have the first equation only in the variable y. So we can solve for y in this one easily. So but here the variable y appears on both sides of the equation. So the variable y must appear on only one side of the equation. So we have to get rid of the variable y either on the left side or on the right side. So let me get rid of the variable on the right side. That is, I'm going to get rid of this 3y. So for that, I'm going to subtract 3y from both sides. When I subtract 3y from both sides, 3y negative 3y will cancel out. When I combine y negative 3y, it will become negative 2y. On the right side, we have 8. Okay, now to solve for y, I have to get rid of this negative 2, which is multiplied by y. So to get rid of this negative 2, I have to divide both sides by negative 2. So this negative 2 will cancel out. I just get y here, and this negative can be taken over here. 2 goes into 2 one times, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So we get y equals to negative 4. Okay, now I have solved for y. So to get the value of x, what I need to do is I have to substitute y equals to negative 4 into the second equation. That is x equals to, for this y, we can substitute negative 4. So when I substitute negative 4 for y, I get x equals to negative 4. So I solved for x and y, x equals to negative 4 and y equals to negative 4.